Hello friends, today we will see how to install Python 3 on Windows 10. For that, we will go to the download section on the official Python site, which is python.org/downloads. From here, we will select the latest version of Python, which is 3.8.3. It will take some time to download. So now that the download has completed, I will launch the Python installer. I've selected the option to add Python 3.8 to path so that I don't have to manually go and add environment variables. We'll now click install now and it will initialize the installation. You can choose to disable path length limit, but this is totally optional. Now we'll close the installer and see what is the version of Python that we are seeing on command prompt. So as I have two Pythons, like Python 2 and Python 3 both on my machine, I've navigated to the folder of Python 3 to launch Python. As you can see, the version is now 3.8.3. You can directly pass on commands like print command and computation commands in this mode, and Python will do it for you. And to exit this mode, you just have to use the exit command. That's it, your Python is installed now. So, if you liked the video, please hit like and click on subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.